Hello, and welcome to my little camp show off. um, Thought it would be nice for you guys to see what you can do in a small camp here. So the idea was to put everything inside the CD shed. I do have some
Man, off the
decorations on the
chems,
outside here,
surrounded by friends. Yeah, this is the life.
mainly because I couldn't put my plants in a planter because it seems to be bugged at the moment. I hope
I
Bethesda will
am
fix that.
going to have a wild night with these gems.
My budget is completely maxed, but I have every necessity here, and even a couple of turrets. So let's see. I just love this. All the doors. And this is it. This is my entire build. Let's close the doors. I've put every workbench in here and a fermenter, and they all work. This is the chemistry station. We have the cooking stove. We even have the brewing station, the fermenter as well. Oh, my champagne's ready. And over here we have the Tinker's workbench for the ammo on that. Scrap box.
Sucks. Not that I love more
The
than
armor
sucking
workbench.
on things when I sit.
And finally the weapons workbench. My vendors up there. I love this little 50 cal with the business pointing towards it. Nobody seems to find my vendor. They're all like, where is it? I'll get back to that switch. I love how the Nuka girl is kind of... I used to have her arm perfectly behind the ammo sign, but the tolerances in this camp is minute, so this is the way it's gonna have to be.
This camp could use more
I wanted to make a
corpses.
room divider of sorts, so in here I have the ammo machine, the intelligence buff here, some luck, I have water, a cat, even the bed is working. I thought about building a bed out of like stash boxes and a mattress and such, but I kind of like this sleazy bed here. Goes well with the
Life
CD shed, I
is
guess.
better since the bomb spell.
I have a theremin to get the AP buff. It's also working. So everything's working, which was a little difficult. The only resource I do not have in this camp is the Brahmin. I haven't figured out how to incorporate that one into this tiny house.
Okay, let's see.
And
Things
I also
I
managed to
lost
put
about
down a
being.
shelter.
Nothing.
It's all built up from on the ground.
Short list.
You know, I had to get the placement just right. Now I haven't actually built anything in my shelters. That's my next project. I met some really cool people with some interesting shelters. Might see what I can do with it. But it's more than just a tiny camp. It's actually a trap. Two kinds of traps. I'll show that once we finish loading here. Takes a while. Let me just put on my stealth suit here.
Try some. I hear it's a real trip.
This switch here is radiation. Without the stealth suit, I take around 124 rats a second, which is pretty good. Not the best, but it does the job. A neat little trick I noticed when you stack doors is that you don't have to open all of them. You can just open this one, for example, stand next to it, close it, and you get pushed through. Same thing happens with this one. But I'm gonna open all the doors and show you the second shot. And that will be the end of the video, I think. So I even have a punchy stack in here. It does repair my radiation emitters, so this spike board is pushed through. I even put the spike boards on the switch here. Sorry, the springboard. So you only hear the first pulse, then it goes quiet.
I will blow up you.
Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this tiny camp challenge.
Let's see.
I'm gonna work a bit more on it, see what I can optimize. Maybe get my vegetables up here.
Short list.
So, have a good one. Take care. Bye bye.